At Thanksgiving, when I can't eat with everybody, I cry and die a little bit inside. I prepare for my dinner by eating normal food that I usually eat through the day. So having like pretty normal sized meals with lots of veggies, because those are very low in carbs and lots of protein. And then I try to make my dinner a little bit more special than usual. So I still do my veggies and chicken, but I might save a little bit of room for like a fancy sauce or fancy cheese to put on it. And then while everybody else is dishing out their dinner at Thanksgiving, I grab my Tupperware and put it in the microwave, and I eat it, and it's really good, and it's not as good as everyone else's food. But it's getting me to my goals, and I only have about 10 more days to go, so that helps me adhere to my very strict diet. And I can go and enjoy the family time and not have to be so wrapped up in food, and visit with the people that are supportive of me and mean a lot to me and that make me feel very thankful at this time of year. And right now I'm very thankful for James' killer dance moves right behind Cameron. And then my mom is a fabulous cook and makes many desserts, and that's going to be really hard. So I'm going to bring some fancy dark chocolate with me that will kind of satisfy my need to eat my mom's delicious desserts, but I think she's going to bake me something special for after my show, so I can hold on another week.